Alright, some really cool stuff going on. Neighbor's cutting down a tree. There's the tree, the big dead one. He's got the rope going to the front of his truck. He's gonna back it down the road, and then the tree is gonna fall on his house. But you never know. You never know. Couple logs here. Big logs. There's Brad. There's a strap. So this little dog playing with the shit.
I got a Mac.
What kind do you have?
It's an iMac. It's got like the hard drive inside the monitor.
Yeah, there's a lot of math involved, as you can tell. You gotta have 200-pound chunks of wood like that and that. These aren't small. These are huge pieces of wood. And then the tree is just massive. And there's part of Sheila's house over there. Part of Sheila's house is right there. He's taking a bigger chunk out of the tree. It didn't go quite halfway. Let's see what happens. So this is what the weight is like. Just listening, watching. Drinking beer. Yeah, the waiting is the hardest part. Yeah, the waiting. Tom Petty. Gotta love him. This could be it. This could be the moment of truth.
I'm gonna pop a wedge in the back so it doesn't end up pinching my bar.
Oh, more work to be continued. So everyone's excited here on Madison Place. We got this tree that is just ready to do some damage.
You gotta let me know when it's coming down.
Sheila, you want to know? Don't we all? We all want to know when it's coming down.
You're such a dork.
But you'll have to wait. Hey, come here. Come here. Film me. Hey, this is the roving reporter on Mad Street, Bill Brock. And the tree has got to come down. And it will come down. Here's Brad with the wedge buster. Yeah, Buster, the wedge buster.
I can't find my wedge, so.
Benny, show us that walk. Show us that walk, man. Show us what you do. Show us what you do, Bennett. Watch that fucking car. Show us, Bennett. Yeah, show us your goods. Strut it. Strut it, Bennett. Strut it. You wouldn't attack me, would you? Oh, yeah. You wouldn't attack me, would you? Woo. The moment of truth. Everyone on the block's excited. Sheila's excited. Yep, it's leaning. We got a leaner. So here comes the tree. Brad's pulling. The tree's gonna be moving. You have to look right through there, top of the tree. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, it's perfect. Perfect. He couldn't have done any better.
Perfect.
No! Perfect.
Perfect. I thought it was going to jump.
It is perfect. Perfect. A double rainbow. It's a double rainbow. Well,
Great.
this concludes our broadcast here on Masson Street or Place with the tree that never should have been. Let's see Chris's reaction. Was it good? Was it good, Chris?
She only heard it.
It was wonderful.
You sound like no other.
Everybody's happy here.
It would have fallen straight towards the house. It still wouldn't have hit it. Except maybe those dead ones. Yeah, those dead ones. But, you know, I was going to trim it, but it was too risky. I even did hit your little picket fence there, and I'll fix that up.
Huh?
Yeah, I busted that thing right there.
I wouldn't worry about it. And then naturally, you'd have to have the foreman come check out all the work. So how did we do, Mr. Foreman? Does it meet your requirements? I hope we did okay for you. All right. Where's our bonus check?